Hold on, cause the party don't stop.
Okay guys, that's me, Coco. Attempting the FlowRider was a bit tricky. Let's just get into the video. Day 4 of Oahu trip. Tomorrow we go back to Maui later. But today is Wet'n'Wild Day. So I'm super excited. We just ate a big buffet.
Oh my god, there was an omelet station we just picked out, so now we just have to relax for a minute.
Going on, she's doing like a bet with you that you both have to like say hi to a random person.
Yeah.
I was gonna say, hi, my name is Felicia Duty Pants.
No, not duty pants.
Yes, hi, my name is Felicia Sir Dude.
Sir Dude, okay, I'm okay with that. I'm okay with Felicia Sir Dude.
You cannot laugh, Coco.
Okay.
How can we not laugh at that?
You have to ask their name. You have to ask their name.
No.
Yes.
Can I ask their name, Mom?
Huh? I mean, I guess if you just told them, the most polite thing would be like, and what's your name? My name is Felicia Sir Dude. That would be the most appropriate thing to do, I guess.
Coco, I'm gonna tell you what to say. You're gonna say, hi, my name is Felicia. Coco, stop. So you're gonna say, hi, my name is Felicia Sir Dude. What is your name?
Okay, I'll say that.
I'm okay with that.
Practice it.
Make sure you got it, Coco. Make sure you got it.
Hi, my name is Felicia Sir Dude. What's your name? We're at the Embassy Suites and we're gonna leave to go to Wet n Wild.
Wet n Wild. Yeah, we're pretty excited.
Yeah, and we're getting an Uber. He's gonna be here pretty soon. So we can see.
You can see it. Oh, right. Tippy top of it.
Sort of, not really, but hopefully we can see it.
You can see it better when we are a little further back.
See it clearly.
Oh yeah, there.
Wait, is that a new ride?
I don't think so. Same
No,
rides.
we've never ride that. We've never rode that. That's a new ride.
Which one?
The blue. The one.
We'll see. I don't think they've made one recently.
It looks different. It used to have no top. Now it has a top. No, it's different.
Okay. Thank you so much. Have a good one. You too.
My name is Felicia Sir Dude.
Okay, come on, Felicia. Have a good one. All right. You did it.
I have to send it to Sailor. Right here.
Here.
We just have to get in there. Oh, yeah. Okay, so maybe the standing up wasn't that easy, so let's do boogie boarding. It's a lot different from surfing. It's harder than it looks.
Okay, it's the scariest ride here.
So at the end of the day, I'm gonna see if I can ride it, and hopefully I do.
We'll
Let's
see.
cross your fingers.
I don't know, it's scary.
Everyone's going to.
Okay, let's go on another ride though.
Yeah, we're gonna go on the rainbow ride. Let's go.
Oh, we're going around again! We're too heavy!
You are.
Oh, backwards!
Whoa, that was nice.
That was fun! Gotta get her brownie fix in. Yeah, I had a slice. Turn, Lazy River, my favorite. My turn.
Lazy River, round 2. Well, round 3 for me.
Yeah.
Sorry guys, but a lot of the rides we were able to film because you really had to hold on to the things to hold on.
Handles.
So, like, we were able to film the tornado because it was too light. It hurts him. It had a headache.
Oh, what happened, Cole? We got some ice. She bopped herself, yeah?
Bopped.
Yeah, you got a shiner right there. You're the Lazy River. She's doing tricks and smacked your head at the bottom. So we have to go to the first aid closet or whatever. Get some ice. How are you doing though?
I don't want to do the shaka.
I don't think you're gonna do the shock after that. After that rattle of the head. Next time, yeah? Or is this an excuse? Did you do that on purpose? Smack your head on the bottom so you don't have to do the shaka? I'm kidding. I'm kidding.
I wanted to do the shaka.
Okay, why don't you put the ice on there and we just relax and you gotta sip on a little bit of water, okay? All right, well, that's okay. We might not do the flow again, the surf flow or the shaka. Might take it easy.
I want to do the boogie boarding.
You think you can do that with a... Let's sit out for a few more minutes, so yeah? Okay. We didn't even make it to the wave pool, but we did get a burger. I think we're just gonna leave after this, so yeah? Get back to Waikiki.
Sorry that I did not do the shaka.
That's
First
okay.
it was closed and second I got hurt.
Yeah, that's okay. There's gonna be a surprise we're gonna show you too tonight. Right, Coco?
What is it?
Remember? Oh, you already forgot? Well, sweet then. It's going to be another surprise for you. We'll see you in
I
life.
remember.
Let's go now. Yeah.
Okay, so basically what me and my mom are doing, we're going to do a contest to see how far, what time we get to the other hotel.
Waikiki, and we're in Kapolei right now in Oahu.
Yeah, so want to tell them what we guessed? I guessed 4:28, which is exactly an hour from now. It's actually 3:28 exactly.
I picked 4:18, which is 50 minutes then, right?
Yes. Yeah, we're gonna see who gets
Who's right?
We're gonna see who's closer and who's right.
Yep.
Let's go.
Okay. So we made it back. Coco won. We got here later than I expected. And what are we gonna do?
We're gonna go see fireworks.
Yes.
And then after, we're gonna go to
Tanaka of Tokyo. It's like one of our favorites. But yeah, the fireworks is just like behind that building right there. It's like the Hilton Village is right there. Like right over there. All that right back there. So the fireworks are back there. So we're gonna go back there behind those buildings and see the fireworks, and then we're gonna go over like over in that area for Tanaka, Tokyo.
Lobby.
Okay, so we're walking to go to the place where
Fireworks.
the fireworks are. And they start at 7:45 and it's 6:55. So we have some time.
We have some time to play on the beach.
Yeah, we're just gonna, yeah.
Okay. Things to get before the fireworks.
Yeah.
Everybody has one. See them going off.
Oh, it's blue. I think we go like this. You have to really.
But the other way, right?
What?
Isn't it the other way? Oh no. Okay, yeah. That's how you do it?
Yeah, I think so. Yeah, but I don't want directions.
Oh geez, this is why it takes longer. Let's see. You gotta stand up, I think. You gotta stand up for it. Yeah, come on, do it right. Got it, we got it now.
What? He was so good. Okay, I got better-ish. The guy told me you have to bend these. You also have to bend this and this. Like that. So it's like kind of like a parachute. And then right here, you hold this back like this.
Get on the hooky hook.
With,
Alright.
get on the hook.
Okay. Get on the hook. Oh.
See?
Ooh, that was a good one.
Okay, so the fireworks are in 2 minutes. Basically 1 minute. But I'm so excited.
I start my day in silence. Where are my slippers? Where's my notebook? My dreams, write them down. Write down your dreams. Write down your dreams. Don't forget to write down your dreams. More silence. More silence. And now, it's time to go. My journey to where I'm going is steady and still silent. I gather my belongings and my clothes, my garments, my gloves, my socks, my heels, and I put them together in a way that I'm telling a story with my appearance. The silence starts to break. I start to sing to myself. Engage how I feel.
That was the final finale.
I want that.
You want the steak? Oh, let's go.
Oh, that's big. Which level?
Tanaka, yeah, 3. I tricked her.
Okay, I thought she was taking a picture because you were taking a picture. Beautiful flowers. So pretty.
So pretty.
Yeah.
Ladies, we got this.
Oh, can I? Whoa. Can I get a Corinne and a water? Thank you.
Good morning. Party over here. We got a birthday girl. We're gonna turn 21 one. Yeah. We're gonna turn 21.
I ate it already.
Yeah, they're good, huh? Whoa.
Fireworks. birthday.
Coco. Ready for bed? Yeah, me too.
Please like and subscribe to Coco Shreds Surf Series only on YouTube.